How to get Intesa Sanpaolo bank statement. The Intesa Sanpaolo Group is one of the top banking groups in Europe, €74.7 billion of market capitalization, with a significant ESG commitment, including on climate, and a world-class position in social impact. Intesa Sanpaolo is the leader in Italy in all business areas, retail, corporate, and wealth management. To get Intesa Sanpaolo bank statement, follow these steps. First, open the app. Then click Enter option, then log in with your PIN. Then navigate to Account section. Then click on Search icon. Then search for the specific statement you want to get. Then click on the statement you want. Then click on Open PDF option. It will show your statement as PDF. Then you can download it or share it. Thanks for watching.